Good morning students, here is Seema Sharma PGT Biology from Suraj School. Okay students, today we will start a very new chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animal to climate, and it's a very interesting and familiar chapter for you. I think you all remember the thing. Think when you are going somewhere, right, for a hill station, for anywhere, right, so you prepare your material according to the weather, right. If you are going to a hill station, so prepare your material. When you are going outside, so firstly you see the sky. If it is a cloudy, so your parents insist that you carry an umbrella with you. Have you heard elders in your family discussing about the weather before planning any family functions, like any festival, any marriage? So it's all depend on weather. On the first thing you notice when you wake up in the morning, it is the weather. If you have to leave for school on a cold morning, you wear winter uniform, which include a woolen sweater and coat. And if you have to go out for shopping on a hot and humid day, you wear light color cotton clothes, which will keep you cool. So weather changes almost every day, right. It may change even during the course of the day. It may rain for an hour in the morning and then become sunny, right, and clear right after that. The maximum temperature of any place occur in the afternoon, and minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. So the sunrise and sunset timings are also different throughout the year. Okay, there is a daily report of weather on televisions, radio, newspaper, but you do know what this weather really is. Actually, what is weather? Weather is actually, it's a carries information about the temperature, our daily temperature, humidity, rainfall during the past 24 hours. Temperature, humidity, rainfall, it is a key element of weather, right. Weather, if we are study about the weather, that means we are study about the temperature, humidity, rainfall. What is humidity? Humidity is a measure of the moisture in air, right. How much moisture is present in the air, that is humidity, right. If the moisture is not present in air, that means air is dry. I wonder who prepare these reports. The weather forecast that help you plan activities for this week was probably made by the meteorologist. Who is meteorologist? Meteorologist is a person who studies the weather, right, who study about the weather, and the department who prepare this weather report is meteorological department of the government, right. The 1 marks question is, which department prepare weather report? So answer is meteorological department of the government prepare the weather report, and the person who studies about the weather is meteorologist. Okay, here is the activity 7.1. here is nothing in this activity, just you have to collect the weather report of a week, right. It's in a temperature, climate, rainfall, humidity, from your newspapers, from televisions. Just you have to collect the 1 week report and write down over here. Okay, leave the space for rainfall blank if the data is not available, because rainfall may not be recorded for all the days since it may not rain every day. So you can leave this place here, and you can write down the temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature over here, humidity, that means the moisture present in the air, you can write here. So it's a weekly data that is prepared by you. It is an activity. 1 marks questions also over here, that is rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. Question is rainfall is measured by which instrument? The answer is rain gauge. It is a kind of cylindrical right now, like this. Okay, and here is a measurement scale. Water droplets is here and come here, and we can measure the collected water over here. The day to day conditions of a temperature at place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, it is called weather at the place. In if we are discussing about a specific place weather, so we are we have to know about the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, everything. If we know about everything, that means we know the correct weather conditions of a specific areas. So humidity, temperatures, other factors are the element of a weather, right? Like here, if you are oftenly says that today's weather is too humid, today's weather is too warm from the last week. So weather is such a complex phenomena that it can vary over very short period of time. It can sometime that is sunny in the morning, it's a very sunny morning, but suddenly cloud appear from nowhere, but we don't know that from where these clouds are comes and start raining heavily. So heavy rain may vanish the matter of like minute and give a way of bright sunshine. Like if a rainy season, after some time you can see there is a bright sunshine and environment is so clear, right? So you must have to had several such experience, and you can like feel from your surroundings, right? So this is, since weather is such a complex phenomena, it is not easy to predict. So it's a we have to know about the several elements, and then we can conclude what is the correct weather of the day, right? So in our next lecture we will discuss about climate. Thank you and have a nice day.